back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you guys, I have unboxings. I have two unboxings right here. So if you want to see what I got here in this box and this packaging, then please keep watching. So like I was saying, I got two packages. This here I got yesterday, and I saved it for this particular video because I was waiting on this here box. So I'm gonna go through this first. And I know y'all gonna be like, okay, Miss Tamika, you already got a set of bling brushes. You right, I do, but this here was the original set that I wanted. So now I got both sets. I don't think I won't be repurchasing. I ain't gonna say I don't think. I will not be purchasing the black set because that's not my type of thing. But here, this is the set that I originally wanted, but they were sold out. So they restocked on the 12th. So this here was the original brush set that I really wanted, like I said. And I ordered the pink, the blush pink ones, only because I said if I can't get my hands on these, I'll go ahead and purchase them. And these ended up coming available. So I was like, okay, I pre-ordered them. And again, they shipped out on the 12th. And I think I got, like I said, I got them on Monday. So it's the same exact set. I think it's 6 and 6. You get 5 face brushes and you get 7 eye brushes. So yeah, you guys, I got a set. I got this whole here set. I'm not going to open each one because if you didn't see the original video with the blush pink, I'll leave it up in the cards and you can go check that out because it's the same exact set. But like I said, this was the original set that I wanted. And like I said before, they do offer afterpay. So if you want to get your hands on some beautiful bling brushes, you may want to go ahead and check them out. This one did come in different packaging because the first set of brushes came in this. I don't know if it's because it was the blush pink or the rose gold or whatever color that was. So it came in that. And this time the packaging came like this. And then on the back, it has a list of the brushes, like which brush is for what. So that's neat. So you can kind of like keep it in here, but of course I'm not gonna keep it in here. I did order some brush holders. I did order some and do a unboxing, and I'm not sure if that's gonna go up first or last, but those brush makeup holders, I did end up returning them and getting a smaller set because they were too big for what I wanted them for. And you know, when you order stuff online, it's hard to, you know, determine how big or how small. So the good thing with Amazon, I just found this out that you can, you know, return your stuff if you don't have your box and receipt and all that at the Kohl's store, and they do all the packaging. You just have to print something out off of the Amazon website. So I was happy about that because I ended up throwing all the boxing and all the packing material away. So I was happy I was able to, you know, still return them without the original packaging. So with that credit, I ended up purchasing 2 smaller cases for my brushes. So when they come, of course, I'm gonna share. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Okay, y'all, let me tell you, I just purchased a new bag. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but I wanted to share anyway, only because I wasn't able to see this particular size in the stores, so I did order it. I did go into Lenox Mall. Y'all, Lenox Mall was a mess. It was so packed, so crowded. So they didn't have this particular size. I did try the larger size on in the store, and I, you know, when we was in the store, sales associate, this other girl was like, nah, that's a little too big. And I agree. So when I came home, I said, I'm gonna just wait for mine to come and see how that ended up working. Because at first I was gonna take this back and get the bigger size. So I'm gonna see, y'all. But let me stop rambling so we can go ahead and open this. So it came in this box here. Let me pull this out. So this here is, wait a minute. Let me get all the packaging. So this here is a Gucci item, and I did want to order this off of the Gucci website, but y'all know how I do when I purchase things. I like to get something for something. So the day I purchased this, they had like this Bloomingdale's loyalty program thing where if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a gift card. So with this here particular order, I ended up with a, I think $50 or $75 gift card. So I was like, okay, So I didn't use the gift card as of yet, because if I do end up keeping this hair bag, I'm gonna take that credit and purchase the Gucci Marmont card case. But I didn't want to purchase anything because, of course, if I use the gift card and decide to return the bag, they're gonna take it from my purchase price. So I was like, let me get the bag and see how it looks. But only thing is, I did miss out on the whole Gucci boxing thing, but I don't know, y'all. So here's the boxing right here, and it has the name and the bag that I ended up getting. And I got, of course, you can see the picture. And I did get the pink version only because they had the black and gold. And the only reason why I didn't get the black and gold, because the older version of this particular bag, they don't have adjustable straps. And with me being short, when I was looking at my old pictures back when I was at King of Pressure back home, I tried on the black and gold, and it did lay nice, but it was long. So I was like, let me see how the newer versions of these bags work with the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna see, if I do, adjust the straps, because if I do decide to keep it long, I may just get the black and gold, because black and gold, you can wear it all year round. I mean, I can wear this pink all year round, but the colorful one. So like I said, the only downfall is I didn't get the beautiful Gucci packaging, because with the Gucci, if I would have ordered off of the Gucci website, I would have got the box, the bag, the receipt, and all that. So that's the only downfall. But I just figured I'd rather have the extra credit to use to be able to purchase something else. And then I also received the extra 15% off. Not sure if I can use it on my Gucci purchase, but believe me, I'm going to try. So let me go ahead and see what's what. So it do take the fun out of the whole package. Okay, so the good thing is, oh, it's so soft. So the good thing is you do still get the Gucci dust bag. So I am happy about that. Now, I'm not sure if I can go into a Gucci store and say, hey, I never received the box. I don't know, but if not, it's fine. But here is the bag. Oh my goodness, you can smell that leather, honey. So far so good with the packaging. So far so good. I will say this leather is super duper soft, y'all. And it is hot because it just got off of oh, this is so cute. It just got off the UPS truck. This is so cute, y'all. Look at this little teeny candy bar. That's exactly what it is, like a little teeny candy bar. Like I said, I'm not sure about the bag. And then this here, I wish the strap would have been like a little shorter, but I don't know. So let me see. And the inside is like a suede type of material on the inside. I'm trying to pull everything out. Okay, so here is the inside of the bag. If I didn't mention, you have your two GGs on the back, and then you also have your GGs in the front. And here is this here is the silver hardware. Of course, the black bag has the gold hardware, and I was okay with having the silver hardware. I just want to see if I would be really utilizing the adjustable straps, because like I said, if I keep it long and like it long, I may just, like I said, get the black, because the only difference with the first Marmonts, like the black, red, and like that pinkish color or rose color, I don't know the color, but that line, they don't have the adjustable straps. And I like to have options, you know what I mean? So like I said, I'll see. So here is the inside. You do get your Gucci paperwork, your Gucci card. So you do still get those things. The only difference with ordering off of the Bloomingdale's website, you don't get the box. But you would think Gucci would provide them with boxes, because again, you want the whole full Gucci experience, but I guess it's like, okay, that's one downfall from ordering off of Bloomingdale's. You need to come to Gucci.com and order. But anyway, here is the two booklets that came inside the bag. Well, came inside the back pocket of the bag, and you have your Gucci little card. So yeah, and then here is the price of the Gucci, the tag and everything. And I did go online and look up these bags, and now they saying they are on back order. So I don't know, but this here is just so cute and little. I'm gonna see. Now this is why I said I wanted to order. This is why I said I wanted to order the card case, because as you can see, it can fit a full-size wallet, but of course, you know, it will take up a lot of space in the bag. And the only reason why I was looking to downsize two smaller bags, because I just like to carry just my essentials, because as you know, when I carry big bags, I normally carry everything under the sun in my bags, and they, you know, sometimes tend to be too heavy and a little too uncomfortable. Another downfall about Gucci is Gucci doesn't hold its value like Louis Vuitton. But the bag that I was looking for, the bag that I was looking to purchase from Louis Vuitton is the Grace, I think it's the Grace PM in the checker print. Now that bag, when I first saw it back when like I said, when I was in King of Prussia back home in PA, the bag was like 12 something. Now that bag is like 13 something, and with tax it's almost $1,400. And I'm like, I don't think I want to invest in that type of bag and spend that type of money right now. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and skip Louis Vuitton for now. And I went on over to the Gucci website, and I was just browsing through, and I saw this here particular bag. So I fell in love with it, and so I have it. But like I said, I'm not sure about this color. I'm not sure if this is like an everyday type of color, y'all. Like, let me know what y'all think. Do you think, you know, let me know down below if this would be like an everyday type of color bag for you, because I'm not a matchy type of person, so that's not what I'm worried about, because I can wear blue and throw this on and don't even care. So just let me know down below if you will use this as a everyday type of bag, because of course, with the price, I plan to wear it like every day, regardless if it's hot, summer, cold. If you can wear this in the winter time, I'm sure you could do what you want, but I just wanted to ask your opinions down below. And I wore this here colorful shirt for the sake of this pretty pink. So y'all know how I do my bag unboxings. I normally unbox the bag, show you the bag, and then my second video, which I'm going to have the same exact thing on, I will show you what fits in the bag, how it looks on my body, and things like that. So please make sure you are subscribed. And also, before you go, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this new Gucci bag. And don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, we will talk to you later. Bye.